Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points a minus 2 comma 8 and b minus 6 minus 4 is. Here we can use midpoint formula where midpoint x comma y is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So we can find midpoint by simply putting these values here, where x1 is minus 2, x2 is minus 6, y1 is 8 and y2 is 4. So we get xy equal to minus 2 minus 6 divided by 2 comma 8 plus 4 divided by, this is minus 4, so 8 minus 4 divided by 2. Let me clear that, 8 minus 4. So we get, let's see, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4, comma 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So we get midpoint xy as minus 4 comma 2. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option C.